Hello my cutie pies. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. It's very lovely and shiny day, right? Yes. Okay, today we will revise alphabet A and B in different way. We will sing a jollyphonic song of alphabet A and B. We will also learn standing line. Okay, so let's start. This is alphabet A. Capital A, small a. Mama A, baby A. The sound of A is A. A for apple. My name is Apple. My color is red or green. I am rich in fiber and minerals. I am the first letter of the alphabet. Eat me daily and stay healthy. Let's sing a jollyphonic song of alphabet A. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. This is alphabet B. Capital B, small b. Mama B, baby B. The sound of alphabet B is B. B for bus. Hello everyone, my name is Bus. I travel on the road. I carry people from one place to another. I get energy from my fuel, diesel. Let's sing a jollyphonic song of alphabet B. Bring your bat and bring your ball, Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Bring your bat and bring your ball, Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. After this revision, we are going to learn about standing line. There are so many types of lines. Okay, but today we will learn about standing line. Now what is standing line? Let's learn. This is a standing line. Here is a girl whose name is Manaira. वो खड़ी है, इसलिए हम उसे स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन कहेंगे. Manaira is standing. These are lollipops. Their sticks are example of standing line. Here we have a tree. It is also an example of standing line. Here we have a stick. It is also an example of standing line. Here are the flowers. They are also standing. Now let's draw a standing line. Kids, here I have a slate and a chalk. Here I have drawn small lines. Now we will join it and make standing line. Put your chalk on the top and go down straight. Yes, our standing line is ready. Let's do it again. Put your chalk on the top and go down straight. Yes. बच्चों, always start from the top. ऊपर से नीचे जाना है, नीचे से ऊपर नहीं जाना है. Start ऊपर से नीचे. Very good. Start from the top and go down straight. See, our standing lines are ready. Here I have drawn 2 dots. 1, 2. Now I will join it to make standing line. Once again, top to bottom. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Yes, see, our standing line is ready. One more time. Say top to bottom. Top to bottom. Our standing lines are ready. You can also tell to your mama to draw it for you. We will draw our standing line without any dots. Now start from the top and go down straight. Once again, start from the top and go down straight. Start from the top and go down straight. One more time. Start from the top and go down straight. Our standing lines are ready. Now we will draw our straight line on paper. Here I have 4 lines paper. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our first line is red, then first blue line, second blue line and fourth is again red line. We will start tracing our standing line from the first red line. Yes, first red line. Then go down, go down, go down till second blue line and stop. Once again, start from the first red line, go down and stop on the second blue line. One more time. Start from the red line, go down straight, second blue line and stop. One more time. Start from first red line, go down straight to the second blue line and stop. One more time. Start from the first red line, go down straight and second blue line. We have to stop. Last time, start from the first red line, go down straight and सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन पे हमें स्टॉप कर देना है. ओके, फर्स्ट रेड लाइन से शुरू करके सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन पे हमें स्टॉप करना है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, Now using two dots we will make our standing line. Here I have drawn two dots, right? So let's start it. First we will start from the first red line. First red line to go down straight till second blue line. One more time. First red line, go down straight to the second blue line. फर्स्ट रेड लाइन से शुरू करना है और सीधा नीचे सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन पे लेके जाना है. ओके किड्स, ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टॉप. फर्स्ट रेड लाइन से करना है शुरू, नीचे से ऊपर नहीं जाना है. ओके, सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट रेड लाइन, go down straight till second blue line. One more time. Start from the first red line, go down straight to the second blue line. First red line है, वहीं से शुरू करके go down straight, सीधा नीचे जाओगे and second blue line पे stop करना है. Okay? It's time for worksheet. This is a picture of an apple. In this picture, you have to join the dots with crayon and color in this apple. You have to do this practice work in your class workbook, page number 1. This is a picture of ball. In this worksheet, you have to join the dots with crayon and color in this ball. You have to do this practice work in your class workbook, page number 2. In this worksheet, first you have to trace the standing lines in the pencils and then color the same. Then you have to make standing line on the dotted line already given. And in the end, you have to join the upper dot with the lower dot to make the standing line. So kids, did you understand what is standing line and how we have to draw it? Yes? Okay, you can try this at your home on your slate. Okay, we will meet in our next session.